If you have an Apple Silicon Mac or anything with a T2 chip, factory resetting and erasing your machine is easier than ever. If you don't have one of those Macs and your machine is before 2017, then I'll show you how to erase that as well. But first, let's start with the easy one and get that out of the way. Here's how to factory reset your Mac. I would highly recommend before you do anything, please be sure to back up any important data that you might have and also sign out of iCloud. You can do that by going into Settings, click on your name here in the top left, and then scroll down to the bottom and click on Sign Out. Then in the Settings app, all you need to do is go to General, scroll down to the very bottom and click on Transfer or Reset. Then you'll see Erase All Content and Settings. This would apply to those machines running macOS Ventura or later, which at this point, I really hope you've updated your machine to at least something newer than that. But if for some reason you haven't, you can find the same setting in System Preferences and then Erase All Content and Settings from the menu bar. Then all you have to do is enter in your password in the Erase Assistant box and click OK. Time Machine might pop up asking you if you've backed up your machine anytime soon, and if you haven't, again, now's a good time to do that, just to make sure that you don't lose any important data. Then go ahead and click Continue through the Erase All Content and Settings prompt that you'll get, and you'll see all of the things that you're going to be erasing. And if you didn't already sign out of your Apple account like I told you in the beginning, Apple will now force you to do so. After following these steps, allow the erase process to complete, and that's pretty much it. Your Mac may restart more than once during the process, but once you see the hello message on your screen, you know that everything's been finished and that your Mac has now been restored to factory settings. Okay, so now if you have one of those older machines that we talked about where it's not quite this easy, things are about to get a little bit more difficult, but hopefully I'll make it a little less terrible for you. All you need to do is go to the Apple icon here in the top left corner and restart your machine. Hold down the Command and R keys as soon as you hear the Mac chime indicating a reboot, and keep that held down. Wait for the macOS utility screen to appear and then go ahead and click on Disk Utility. You're then going to want to choose the Macintosh HD drive and then click Erase. For formatting options, select Mac Extended, Journaled, or APFS. Then go ahead and click Erase. After your drive is erased and formatted, you can close Disk Utility and then click on the Reinstall macOS option. Then just follow the installation prompts until you see the Setup Assistant appear. That's it. It's a pretty simple process these days, but please let us know in the comments down below if everything worked out. And of course, hit that like button if you found this video helpful so that others can see it too. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you around in the next video.